everyone, and today is a new day in Playtogether, and I'm very happy to see you, and I wanted to show you today what I bought earlier. I really like what I bought earlier because I was rich first, but now I'm richer, and this is good for me. So yes, let's start. First, let's go in here. Yes. And let's start. Look, see, this is my cake. But I want to show you now my costume. So yes, this is my costume, a dress, this and this crown and everything. I bought these two items now, but look at this. I really like my new costume. And these wings are not new, but I like them. So yes, let's continue. And look what I have got. This carriage. Wait, it goes fast. I thought it was going slower. And now let's see. Without balcony. So yes, it's very fast. But look at my new car. This is balcony 6 and I really like my car. It's very beautiful. It's this beautiful pink and it's really very fast. Look. And it lets this how can call it lets black in her back, and this makes her cool. So yes, now as you can see, this girl is playing with me too. She's not part from the video, but it doesn't matter. Look over here. Yep, this is what I buy. This car, cinema, because I wanted to tell you that I buy them. It's that one that offered mermaid. Yeah, this is the shop. I can tell you. So yeah, look, this is all. Now let's go to hometown so I can show you my new beautiful house. It's very beautiful. It's the luxury new house that is in Playtogether now. And I really like it. It was expensive. Really guys, it was 700 diamonds. It was really expensive. Now look, over there where it's the yellow light, it's my house. Every player wants to find his house will every day found it because he has this special light for helping. When you're far away from house, you can always see it. So you have to click on here. Yes, click yes. And now this is my house. Well, you will not have to be so surprised, but I couldn't like nothing. Ignore my introduction, because the video is now, and I let it like in 5-6 hours. I just wanted to make my intro better. But yeah, I put like nothing in here. But look, I don't think it looks that bad. Look, so I will not renovate it all, but look, I have to put up this. I have enough to put up this. So look, I have so much furniture, so I can put always as much furniture as I want. Because look, I cannot believe I have this sum of furniture. It's very big. It doesn't matter. I want to show you what I just made in the house. So look. Over here. Here should be a hotel. I didn't finish it. I just started. And look, I will put a partition over here, like this white partition, well, brownie. And here another partition. And yeah, this is my hotel with bathroom and bed and everything. Here's the toilet. Here's the bed. So yeah. And I hear like nothing. I just opened the door. I made nothing in here. But let's go upstairs. Okay, so let's show you upstairs. I just made the cinema. I didn't finish it, but look, this big giant screen, and this sofa's relaxed, but it can't even play. Look, let's go. So yes, real quick, you can see a video on this giant screen. I buy that one with the theater. It's really cool, this package. I really tell you buy it too. It's not costing so much, but yeah, as you wish. I'm not forcing you, but yes. So this is what I made in my house. I made even a purple, but it's very small. But I have enough cubes for it. You saw my cubes. I think I have like 200 or something like that. Or 100. Yes, I have a big sum. So I can make a giant parkour. And I started from there up because I wanted to make the parkour, So, for now, love you, and bye.